This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to beat Vanguard Stone, easy method. Bait the spin, dodge inward, then punish during recovery while managing stamina and positioning. Start engagements with light hits and retreat to reset aggression when the boss winds up its heavy combo. Bring a ranged interrupt tool to stop long casts and prioritize poise breaks. Stay patient, watch for the second spin cue, and capitalize after the roar. This fight revolves around pattern recognition and smart resource use. Watch the wind-up animations closely so you can bait heavy strikes and get into prime counter windows. Keep stamina high and avoid greedy combos that leave you open to the spin. Use consumables that boost stagger or defense to widen your openings. Positioning matters, so circle to the boss flank to avoid linear charges and reset pressure. Approach calmly and probe with a light strike to learn aggression pace. When the boss telegraphs a big swing, dodge inward and land 2 quick hits, then retreat to safety. Save a heavy attack for a clear stagger to get extra damage without risking a counter. Use simple buffs and a ranged interrupt to break annoying cast cycles. Reset to safe distance when health or stamina dips low, and reapply pressure strategically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.